Hey, everyone, welcome back to Hot Skinny Recipe channel, where we bring you simple, healthy, and delicious recipes to help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Today, I'm sharing a super easy, nutrient-packed recipe that's perfect for shedding those extra pounds without sacrificing flavor. This is my super green weight loss smoothie, a game changer for busy mornings or post-workout recovery. Packed with fiber, protein, and all the goodness your body craves. This recipe is as tasty as it is effective, so let's dive in. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of fresh spinach, cup of kale, 1 small frozen banana, avocado, healthy fats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for that zesty kick. Optional, a dash of honey or stevia if you like it sweeter. Every ingredient here is chosen with weight loss in mind, low calorie, high nutrient, and absolutely delicious. Step 1. Add your spinach and kale to the blender. Leafy greens are the cornerstone of any healthy diet. They're packed with vitamins and help keep you feeling full. Adding ingredients to a blender. Step 2. Toss in the frozen banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. Step 3. Scoop in half an avocado. This adds healthy fats that keep you satisfied longer. Step 4. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. These little powerhouses are great for digestion and boosting your metabolism. Step 5. Pour in your almond milk and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Step 6. Blend until it's silky smooth, and voila! Your weight loss smoothie is ready to go. Pouring the smoothie into a glass jar, garnishing it with a lemon slice and chia seeds. If you want to meal prep, you can pre-portion the ingredients into freezer bags. In the morning, just toss them in the blender with almond milk, and you're good to go. So refreshing. If you're ready to make healthy eating simple and delicious, give this recipe a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to channel name, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Share this with a friend who's on a weight loss journey, and let's spread the healthy vibes together.